If your iPhone apps are opening slow, freezing, or showing a black screen, here are some quick fixes that can solve the problem fast. First, completely close the app that's causing the issue. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle, then swipe the app away. Now restart your iPhone. This helps clear temporary glitches and improves app performance on iPhone. After the phone turns back on, open the Settings app and tap on General. Then go to iPhone Storage and wait a few seconds for everything to load. Find the app that's opening slow or showing a black screen, tap on it, and select Offload App. This removes temporary app files without deleting your data. After that, tap Reinstall App. If the issue is still there, go back to Settings and tap on App Store. Make sure App Updates is turned on, then check if the app has a new update available. Updating apps can fix black screen issues and slow loading problems on iPhone. Also, make sure your iPhone's software is updated. Go to General, tap Software Update, and install any available iOS update. One more thing. If your iPhone storage is almost full, apps may open very slowly. Try deleting unused apps, large videos, or unnecessary files to free up space. And finally, if nothing works, delete the app completely and reinstall it from the App Store. Wow. After reinstalling, the app should open normally again without the black screen or lag issue. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.